Today, we are searching for the amphibian Aqua Butillaris. Typically, it's a very resilient species. Can live up to 100 years. There we are. Now, if I'm careful and I don't frighten it, there we have it. As you can see from the markings here, it's a female. I can see that, yes, it's pregnant. We'll set it free. Have a look at these little ones. We're here today exploring Phasm diversificus. Shh! They're very sensitive. It's known to collectively have a hive mind. Shh! Just look at that incredible hive. And there you can see the workers in attendance to their queen. Isn't she majestic? We can see the larger soldier male and here the female. The hunting of Phasm diversificus is strictly forbidden. We're here and we're looking for the Sneakum platnencus. Its camouflage is extraordinary. There. My mistake, sorry. Look, tracks. These tracks are still warm. I think it's very close. Migrated from China, this way. Look, there they are. We are so lucky to spot them in the mating season. Let's give these two a little privacy.
Aqua Butillaris е земноводен вид със средна продължителност на живота около 100 години и е последната фаза от развитието на основния вид Aqua Minerali. Homo sapiens и перманентната му нужда от хидратация са движещата сила зад метаморфозата на Aqua Minerali в Aqua Butillaris. Парадоксално, Homo sapiens се превръща в най-големия естествен враг на Aqua Butillaris, когато се включи в почистването на природните паркове.
Не създавай нови видове. Откри естественото многообразие на нашата природа. Включи се в Националния ден на природните паркове 8 юни 2013 година. За регистрация посети Facebook страницата на Global.